Hey there! I am excited to introduce you to this powerful tool in the latest release of Adobe Photoshop Beta 2023 called Generative Fill. This feature is non-destructive. It allows you to generate text, images, and more by entering a simple text prompt. You can also take in existing photos and turn it into a masterpiece. Subscribe and turn on the post notifications, and let's get started. Link is inside the description, if you want to follow along with the same photo. Make sure you are connected to the internet because it doesn't work offline. With that being said, grab the crop tool from the tools panel. Go to the image and extend the canvas like so. Press enter or click that icon to confirm it. Grab the rectangular marquee tool. Select the empty portions on the sides of the photo. Hold Shift to add to the selection and make sure it overlaps the image to help Photoshop to fill and render the layers together. After you have made the selection, the context taskbar will pop up automatically, but if yours is hidden, go to the window menu and make sure context taskbar option is checked. You can enter a text prompt in the text box if you have a specific scene in mind and then press generate to fill in the surroundings based on the existing image. After a few seconds you will be provided with 3 variations you can choose from. If you are not satisfied with the provided results, you can always click on Generate to recreate more. You will surely get what you want with this amazing feature. Subscribe and turn on post notifications for more awesome contents.